Among the many advantages of high-tech home accessories is their ability to let us untangle ourselves from old-fashioned wired systems, to grant us newfound flexibility and convenience, and to simplify our lives. Wireless doorbells are one of those high-tech upgrades that offer all these benefits. Unlike older models, these battery-powered units take mere minutes to install, repair, or pack when we move to a new house, making them an easy and often inexpensive upgrade. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best wireless doorbells you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell. With a built-in LED light, the wireless doorbell button and receiver are easy to see, even in the dead of night. The doorbell transmitter runs on a 3-year battery, but the compact receiver is designed to fit comfortably in a single power outlet, without blocking access to another socket. Just plug it into an electrical outlet within 1,000 feet of the transmitter and install the transmitter with the provided accessories to set up the system. The wireless doorbell includes 52 different chimes that sound through the 29mm stereo speakers for clear, crisp sound quality. Choose between 5 volume levels with a maximum noise level of 115 decibels. This weatherproof product has an internal memory function that allows it to remember and automatically restore the last settings after a power outage. Number 4. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. While many video doorbells have a 130 to 160 degree viewing angle, this video doorbell from Arlo features a 180-degree field of vision in clear HD quality. Custom activity zones allow users to set parameters as to where the motion detector is triggered. This helps users maintain a wide field of vision while preventing false alarms. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, Arlo can be installed as a wired or wireless video doorbell. When used as a wireless doorbell, the rechargeable battery provides up to 6 months of battery life on each charge. Live alerts, two-way audio, pre-recorded messages, and night vision are some of Arlo's best features. What's more, in case of any trouble or if the goal is to scare trespassers off the property, the Wi-Fi-enabled doorbell has a built-in siren that can be triggered from the Arlo app. With an Arlo Smart Plan, cloud storage and extra security features are available. Number 3. eufy Security Video Doorbell Kit. With a built-in Sony 2K sensor and professional-grade lens, this video doorbell from eufy captures crisp, clear 2K footage. The eufy doorbell can be wired to a home's electrical system or installed wirelessly. When used as a wireless doorbell, the rechargeable battery provides up to 180 days of power on each charge. The eufy doorbell camera provides a range of useful features, including real-time alerts, live streaming, motion detection, human detection, and customizable activity zone settings. One of the biggest advantages of purchasing the eufy kit is that no monthly subscription plan is required to take advantage of these features. This video doorbell comes with a hub, which stores video footage locally via a Wi-Fi connection. To ensure that stored clips are safe, the hub boasts military-grade, AES-256 data encryption and can hold up to 16 gigabytes of footage. There's no cloud involved, so users retain full access to the footage. Number 2. Morecam Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera. This video doorbell from Morecam is a premium option, and it comes with a 32 GB SD card for video recording and storage. The wireless doorbell has a built-in 1080p camera that has motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio, giving the user the ability to immediately respond to visitors or intruders when away from home. The camera is able to sense ambient light, so it can automatically switch to night vision, ensuring that the video remains clear with a night vision distance of about 32 feet. Just plug the indoor chime into an available power outlet and adjust the volume between 3 different levels. The system operates on the home Wi-Fi, so the range is reliant on the Wi-Fi signal, not the signal between the doorbell button and the indoor chime. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell. This video doorbell from Ring boasts a range of convenient security features, including 1080p HD video, live view, two-way talk, improved motion settings, night vision, and compatibility with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. With advanced motion detection and privacy zones, users can determine where motion is, or isn't, detected. This feature ensures that visitors' movements are captured, but it keeps the motion detector from sounding every time branches sway on the tree next to the front door. The versatile doorbell can operate as either a wired or wireless video doorbell. Dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity enables the Ring to connect to 2.4 GHz networks. Users can opt to receive real-time notifications and live views of the front door area via a smart device. Video storage and playback options are available with an optional Ring Protect plan subscription. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.